In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera for Google Meet. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, if you haven't already installed OBS Studio, you'll need to download it from the official website, obsproject.com, and follow the installation prompts on your computer. OBS Studio is a powerful open source tool that many content creators use to broadcast videos, allowing for incredible customization. Once you've got OBS Studio installed, the next step is enabling the virtual camera feature. Go ahead and open OBS Studio on your computer. At this stage, you'll need to set up your scene. This is where you can get creative. Whether you want to incorporate your webcam feed, add images, write text, or create exciting overlays, these elements can all be included in your scene. The beauty of OBS is that everything is customizable to suit your specific needs and elevate your presentation. After you have your scene tailored to perfection, locate the controls panel at the bottom right of the OBS Studio interface. Here you'll find the Start Virtual Camera button. Click on it, and with that simple action, OBS Studio has now become your virtual camera source. The next step is to switch over to Google Meet. Once you're in a meeting on Google Meet, you'll want to click on the three-dot menu, conveniently located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From this menu, select Settings and then navigate to the Video tab. In the camera drop-down menu, you'll see various camera options. Select OBS Virtual Camera. By doing this, Google Meet switches from your standard webcam to the creative output of OBS, displaying all the customized scenes and elements you've set up. You'll instantly see the OBS output feed within Google Meet, ensuring that everything you designed in OBS is perfectly displayed to your audience. Before you go live with your presentation, it's smart to do a quick test to make sure your video feed is showing up correctly. Check for any misalignments or technical glitches. OBS Virtual Camera is a fantastic tool because it allows all kinds of enhanced video effects, from custom overlays to multiple camera angles and even green screen functionality, thus making your Google Meet presentation stand out. When everything works smoothly, you're ready to present with confidence. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can utilize the full potential of OBS Studio in your Google Meet sessions, taking your video conferencing experience to the next level. Happy streaming!